आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो, जय हो। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो, सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है।
नवी मुंबई के एरोली स्थित जेनिथ इंटरनेशनल और पेटेट किड्स स्कूल में शनिवार को एडू कार्निवल आयोजित किया गया था, जिसमें प्री प्राइमरी से लेकर कक्षा 11वीं तक के करीब 1200 विद्यार्थियों ने उत्साहपूर्वक सहभाग लिया। कार्निवल में बच्चों ने संगीत, नृत्य, कला, रोबोटिक्स और विज्ञान जैसे विषयों पर अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स और प्रस्तुतियों के जरिए रचनात्मकता की मिसाल पेश की। प्री प्राइमरी बच्चों के प्यारे पपेट शो ने दर्शकों को मंत्रमुग्ध किया, जबकि कक्षा पहली और दूसरी के विद्यार्थियों ने विषयवार प्रदर्शनियों से सबका ध्यान खींचा। हर कोने में नवाचार और सीखने की खुशी झलक रही थी। संस्था के चेयरमैन अवनीश सिंह ने कार्यक्रम का निरीक्षण किया और बच्चों को उत्साहित किया। उन्होंने बच्चों द्वारा तैयार की गई विभिन्न कलाकृतियों का अवलोकन कर छात्रों और शिक्षकों के शानदार प्रदर्शन की सराहना की। उस अवसर पर कॉलेज की प्रिंसिपल रूबी वर्गीस ने कहा कि हमारे स्कूल में बच्चों का समग्र विकास करने के लिए लगातार एकत्र करिकुलम एक्टिविटीज का आयोजन किया जाता है। इससे बच्चों के अंदर मौजूद प्रतिभाएं निकलकर सामने आती हैं और उन्हें नियमित पढ़ाई के अलावन मनोरंजन के साथ सीखने का अवसर मिलता है।
Yes, show demonstrate how.
Good morning. Today we have a special event which is called as Edu Carnival 2025, a journey of learning and beyond. It's a special event because today students will be showcasing their talents, their innovation and the journey of learning. Every parent would like to see the child confident, and such event gives them a platform. I'm very happy that today more than 1200 students are participating. There is art, music, dance, robotics, science, emphasizing on holistic development. We all are there for our children, giving them best of everything, roots to grow and wings to fly. So I'm very happy all the parents have come today to encourage the students. Hope we have a wonderful time together and make our students more confident for the future.
Honestly, I'm so much impressed by the school because they have, in a very vibrant way, they have blended fun with learning. And, this is the essence of learning. Children should enjoy when they are learning. So over here, I have 2 kids studying in the school, and I feel so lucky because my child is getting the exposure, that kind of platform where he is building his confidence. Okay, his speaking skills are getting improved. It's boosting his skills like communication skills, teamwork. All those things are happening, and I'm very happy. Problem solving, critical thinking, and whatnot. And most importantly, the sense of pride in learning is happening here. And I personally feel that all the parents and all the other parents from school should also send their children to this school, because this is like a platform, an opportunity which all the children should get at this age. I feel very lucky, and it's a big thank you to the school and management team and the teachers for putting up such a great show. And I hope that more such shows comes in the future. I feel that my child is getting an exposure. Okay, he's learning so many things. He's getting confidence to speak. Today, one of my kid is in playgroup and the second one is in 4th standard. He's showing a model over there and he's speaking so well, and I feel proud. So it's a great moment.
Wow, it was really good, and I as a parent have felt really very good. The way the management, the teachers, the entire staff, especially the children, and not to forget the participant of parent from the backside, those who have participated and made their children to perform better on the stage. There were dances, there were cultural dances, and there were other messages with respect to Diwali and saving our earth itself, right? With pollution. No more pollution. The message was given very clearly, right? I was really heart touched, and I was really happy the way the entire management has done. And yes, this Zenith International Edu Carnival should be continued year after year or every year. Okay, and every single child I have seen, they are participating. They are participating. That is the best part. Yeah. That's all what I can say. I'm really happy.
So Edu Carnival is about, it's combination of 2 words, education and festival. So every student, we are hardworking, showing different cultures of the India, like dance culture, art culture, singing. So it is a very diverse representation of our school about the Indian culture, and students have put their lots of effort for this, and this is a very wonderful event. As being the senior of the school, we are also very cheerful. Our students have done very awesome, and that's the Edu Carnival. That's the representation of everything we have. We have done a lot of hard work for this. It very helps because most of the students in this generation do not know about the Indian culture and all, because today the time has changed. So with these events, they can know about different cultures of India and know different art forms. So they can learn through them, and parents also have a very good time with these kids. So I think that's a very beneficial point for them. Yes, it does, because the whole school, the whole team, including the management, including all the students, have participated in this. So there is no thing that not a single student has not participated in there. We have functions that some students are getting participated and other not. But Edu Carnival, it's about whole school, so everyone are going to participate. So that's the awesome thing about Edu Carnival. My parents, I think they are my biggest support. They give me confidence that I'm speaking right in front of a camera. That is because of my confidence. They give me confidence and support in every point of my life.
As a parent, I can see a lot of hard work, a lot of potential in the children, and confidence. First of all, everybody is getting an opportunity. That's a very good part of this Edu Carnival. It's all about everybody is getting an opportunity and to showcase their talents and their capabilities. So wonderfully done, wonderfully executed. And my son is studying in 8th standard. He was a keyboard player where he was playing the music. So
इस अवसर पर एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर आशीष सिंह, स्कूल प्रबंधन के अन्य सदस्यों के साथ पीटीए मेंबर और बड़ी संख्या में मौजूद अभिभावकों ने बच्चों को उत्साहित किया। अभिभावकों ने कहा कि इस तरह के कार्यक्रमों से हमारे बच्चों में आत्मविश्वास बढ़ता है और मंच पर जाने की हिम्मत आती है।